Hi friends, this is the Misscase iPhone 8 or SE2020 case or iPhone 7 clear case. This is a tempered glass screen protector that comes as a gift along with this. So let me open this box and show it to you. So this is the tempered glass protector. On the top of it, this one. So this is the glass protector and two wipes, one wet and one dry. And this is just the protecting thing, and this is the actual clear case for iPhone 7, iPhone 8 or iPhone SE 2020. So this case can be used in all this because it is a 4.7 inch clear soft TPU case, and you can see the quality, like it's all clear, the cut is precise, no shredding or nothing like that, and this is pretty thin, and you can see it's a two-piece thing. One is like a bumper thing and then a protective case top of it. And as you see the material, this material is a scratch resistant and durable and easy to clean case. So as I mentioned, there are two pieces to it. One is the bumper and one is the clear case on top of it. So now how to put it on your cell phone. So this is my iPhone 8 and I'm trying to put this one on it. So it's just separate the front frame from the rear case, that's we have done. And then prior to installation, find the rim seam where two edges of front bumper and rear case TPU cover meet and take the front and the back apart. So we have done that part. Now we have to fit the iPhone on it, and be sure, because this is just the part, you have to make sure that all the buttons are put properly into that socket. So because if the buttons are not proper on the top of it, the TPU case will not fit. So I will just show you again. You can see the button case is on the line there. So like one the on and off switch, and one is for the volume control. So you have to make sure that your iPhone get fit properly in that particular socket with all that button things, because it's very easy to get confused. I have been confused once, so that's why I'm trying to show you again. So when you put your cell phone like this, then make sure that your volume buttons fit well in the volume slot, and then your on and off button fits in the on and off slot. And now once this part is done, you have to put your top cover case on top of it, and it will just go easily, but you have to make sure that you gently press the rim seam to let the front bumper properly and snugly nestled in the back cover. So to make sure, like I'm putting on the top of it by pressing on it, now it's a good fit, and you can see now all the buttons and the properly fit, and it's working. The on and off switch is working, and the volume up and down button. So here it goes, and I'm pressing the volume button. So yeah, I have to unlock my phone to show you that, and then see the volume button is going up and down. So this thing is working properly, there is no issue with the buttons. And then if you see the neck fit, so the fit for the charger, the speaker, the precise fit, you can see like how nicely they have make this case. So this case is I find is really good because it protects the camera, and also like it's a little bit upside from the screen, so you can just put it on the front side up and down, and there will be no scratch on your screen as well. From the side, I think the corners are well protected with that bumper slide we have done in the first part. So the corners and everything is all fit good. Now, as I mentioned that this also came with the screen protector, I'm not going to install the screen protector on my phone but I can show you the fit on the screen. So this screen protector looks a 9H1 and then the high quality one, and then if you see put on the screen, the button fits well, and then the speaker, or I will say the headphone thing, is also fitting well, the earpiece thing. And this also comes with two, like one wet and one dry wipes that helps you to put your screen protector on top of your screen. So this is actually a complete protection with the screen protector, side corners and the back cover. And if you see it here, the screen protector is fitting well on the earpiece as well as on your home button and on the side, and it's not interfering with the case as well. So all these things looks good. And this is how they mention the steps and the product quality that comes with this. So overall, like, I think the case is good fit and it's protective. That's the main part of the case or any case, and it looks good with the clear front and scene that you can easily see. I like this clear case, or usually I like the clear cases, so I don't think there is a problem with that. Overall, a nice case, and comes with a lifetime warranty as well. So good try. The link will be in the description.